Hello guys, today let's talk about
Lab9.
we have learned login form in this form 1 and the database manager in other 3 forms. So you can just follow previous lab to build your code directly, but only do some changes. Before running this program, it's better to talk about the code logic first. Okay, in the form 1, which is kind of login form, in form 1 load, you have division list file with you. So you can use the same way to add the division list to the list box by using list box, their items, their add. In other 3 form, which is same as Lab10, but there's a difference. In this form, you only have 2 arrays. One is the item's name, and another one is item's quantity. For example, the first form is inventory. So you have inventory name and inventory quantity. In the form load, the difference is you need to read 3 data together, whatever the form you need to log in, and then process these 3 data. I will talk about the process data later. For the find ID, because you have the name, so just change find ID into find name. You need to do some change inside of the find ID private subroutine. Okay, the next one is a module. This is very important. You need to build a new module and declare some public variable and public start. The public variable include but not limited to this kind of the variables. For example, inventory name, inventory number, or total of an inventory, total sales, and so on. Also, you need to declare public sub, such as read inventory, read sales, read production, and also process data. Because you have declared this as a public sub. Okay, next one is the process data. So let me talk about the logic. So there are 3 data with you: inventory, sales, and production. For example, in inventory data, you will say there are 3 lamps data, which means it is repeated. So I need to combine these 3 data. So that's why I need to process them. To combine this repeated data, I can use 2 layers of loop to do that. I can keep the current inventory name, for example, lamp here, and find the following inventory name. If they are equal, for example, lamp 100 is equal to lamp 120. So I need to combine the 100 and 120. So here, combine the other inventory quantity with the current inventory quantity and delete the other inventory name and quantity. That's how to combine repeated value. You can do similar things as the sales, which is here. Okay, for the production, it's different. So you will see they are all 0. Because I need to use the formula, production is equal to sales minus inventory to get your value. We have combined the repeated value. So we just calculate directly. In this loop, there are 3 layers of loop. If the current inventory name, sales name, and the production name are same, so we can do the calculation by using their number. So that's all for the process data. You can use this code directly to build your process data subroutine. Okay, the final one, I will prepare this 3 data file on the eCampus. You can download it directly. And also, I will put the division list file. You can still download. After you download all your data, create a folder to back up your original data file. For example, this is my debug folder. I have these 3 data, but I have also put it in my backup data. Each time you run your program, your data file will be changed. So when you show me your data, you need to use your original data. So you can copy your backup data to this folder directly to cover these 3 updated data. Okay, you can use a background image and background layout to set your background, which is here. Here is the background image. So I have set up. So when you first time use it, click this square and try to import 3 images. I have prepared 3 images so you can use directly, which is the same as your Lab9. Then go to the background image layout to set up the layout as stretch, which is same as your size mode in the Lab9. Okay, let's try to run this program. Before running, I will show the data again so you can know what the data looks like. Okay, let me close it and run it. For example, inventory passcode is 123. Okay. You will see lamp is 320. Let's double check. Inventory. Okay, I have successfully combined the repeated value. Now the lamp is 320. And also I have combined other value. So that's why we need to use process data. And also you can check the production. So the production is like this. I can use the formula to calculate the final result. Okay, that's all for the Lab 11.